Hello friends, how are you? I'm fine. I can presentation today's my videos Pinterest marketing, how to create pin and board on Pinterest. My client, the two affiliates link, the provide and Pinterest marketing and USA Pinterest marketing, how to create Canva users and Pinterest and uh, pin create and design pin design and post Pinterest and then Pinterest marketing. Pinterest marketing is a present time the USA best SEO search engine optimization, the ranking site. To my client, they give to four link in affiliate marketing, how to make money that which work on Pinterest marketing. I can share my screen. Open my Pinterest account. Open my Pinterest account. This is the my Pinterest account. How to create pin and board and design the. I'm again to design the Pinterest. My client product is weight loss product. The loss weight to the quickly. This is the one question and one picture. Then I can Pinterest marketing. So first time I create a Pinterest Canva opening, the create and Pinterest post design, and first time create my open and create pin. My pin. This is my title and the title. This is my title. Affiliate link. And this is my website. Client website. This is the title. Create title and some description. The client link. The client link. Copy link. Okay. Client link and choose board. Create a new board. Uh, you can search on Google. Just board name. Naturally loss or at first. Create. Okay. Tag. I can search by a tag. All people to comment. Show product. then published. You check your the icon. This is the home page of Pinterest account. I post and check this Pinterest account. Just my profile. Click here. This is the my post natural my post. Okay, this is the my post. All pin. This is my pin. Save. I can check this. This is the link. Okay, very easy. Same again. Post. Create here. Pin. Create pin. Just my desktop. One picture. Okay. Not size. Pixel is size. I create again. This website uploading this product. Just okay. By either change, you can search this picture. Lot of model. Just you can one picture choose. Okay. One picture choose. This is writing white. But no need no writing. Just download. Download. Download this picture. Okay. Picture is saving. First time the title. Defines title. Link. My client's link. Okay. Choose board. Natural health first. Tag. natural, just published. Okay, very easy to Pinterest marketing. Okay, to pin, just to pin create. Thank you very much. Very easy to say Pinterest marketing.